distance. Away they go. Lian Jonic from the outside is passed forward. Moving up by the rally security check. Then comes the Sarjun. Down on the inside is King's Dominion alongside Gintong Gantimpala. Moving up in between runners is May Bukas pa. Security check by about 3 lengths followed by the Sarjun. Fast forward, May Bukas pa is moving up by the Real Gintong Gantimpala field runner. King's Dominion, Lian Jonit, Dugus Pride, and Unica Champ. Rounding the far turn, security check. May Bukas pa is moving up by the rail together with fast forward the Sergeant Gintong Gantimpala as they swing for home. May Bukas pa in the middle, and on the outside is security check. Down on the inside, Gintong Gantimpala fast forward and nearing the finish line. May Bukas pa this time by about 3 lengths followed by Gintong Gantimpala. And finally, May Bukas pa. Gintong Gantimpala field runner. Security check. Fast forward for your